TURNMEON 2-pack fall decor. Enlarged maple leaf lights. Product features. Design patent. Are unique. Enlarged maple leaves, measuring 4 inches, offer a striking and realistic look, perfect for your fall decorations. Versatile lighting. Each pack includes 20 feet of string lights with 40 LED lights, beautifully adorned with 40 fall and leaf decorations. Ideal for both daytime and nighttime display. Perfect for Halloween and Thanksgiving. Seasonal charm. These lights create a warm, inviting atmosphere for your Halloween and Thanksgiving celebrations, enhancing the festive spirit. Battery operated. Easy to use. Requires 3 batteries, not included. The portable battery box features 3 settings: on, flash, and off, allowing you to easily switch between modes. Warm, white glow. The lights emit a cozy, warm white light, perfect for setting the mood. Waterproof and durable. High-quality materials. Made from fabric cloth, the maple leaves are odor-free, resilient, and designed to withstand the elements. The string lights are waterproof, making them suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. Strong construction. Each string consists of 4 high-quality silver wires, ensuring durability and a beautiful display. Ideal for any space. Versatile decor. Perfect for decorating your home, porch, garden, or any outdoor area. Create a stunning autumn ambience with these gorgeous leafed garlands. Enhance your fall festivities with TURNMEON's enlarged maple leaf lights, where warmth and elegance meet seasonal charm.